Like a racing car harness, huh?
That's it.
Ready in how many seconds?
30.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
All equipments are fully equipped, and they get ready in 30 seconds. Can you believe it? Heads up to the driver, they work really very hard and fast. That's the important stuff. Thank you very much, the firefighters. Let's go. Say hello. Small sitting in the driver's seat of the fire engine is custom built for the city of Markham Fire. So Maya is here. Stay safe, don't play with fire. If anything happened wrong, just call us. Yeah. It's like you're sitting in a toolbox. Wow.